our 24,500 liquid propane rice cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. From the left to right handle, we have a length of 24.5 inches. By removing the lid, measurements for the rice pot itself, we have a length of 20 inches, with the interior dimensions measuring 18 inches in radius by 7 inches in height. The actual rice pot can be removed, and indicated are the levels. 15 liters being the maximum, along with 85 cup capacity is how much the rice pot can handle. By removing the rice pot is held by the outer bowl, along with the bottom plate that can be removed. And in the bottom plate is the burner for the rice cooker. Included will be the measuring cup along with the rice scooper. And also included will be the gas regulator. Gas regulator will be connected towards the side right here. Coming to the front will be the ignition, the ignite, along with the cooking function for this rice cooker. Last but not least, coming to the back of the rice cooker will be the ETL certification, along with the BTU information for this rice cooker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.